I found out that in my allocation, there was a need for some labor force, whereby the labor force was inadequate. And then we resolved that if we could apply to this, then we could come out with a tractor, handheld tractor, which could improve on the labor force and also increase the efficiency.
Can carry out at least 3 operations. One is the operation of carrying, it's doing. Then this one, there are some tractors that are used to strengthen the road surfaces. This is the mode we use. Then it has some blades here which can be used in digging. Here down are the blades when you are deciding for plowing. Therefore, it can be used to cover the activities at once. Solves the problem of labor and the costs of production.
The last one.